You are going to love the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.